Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. We just unloaded this. This is a client's vehicle. It's very, very rare. And I'm chuckling because to call this a vehicle is kind of funny. We just set it on one of our portable dollies. It's very rare. It's a 1928 Ford Model A. I believe they refer to this as the AB. And it has the jump seat in the back. So it's a Canadian built car. It's been in a barn for approximately 50 years. So we're getting it, the chassis and the engine and drive line are at our client's house, his little garage, and then all of the panels in the body was just dropped off. So we've got basically 2 pickup truck loads of shrapnel. But I just wanted to show you because it's kind of neat. I think this is what it's supposed to look like. I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but we have this reference manual which is great for restoring these Model A's. So this is restoring the Model A's, Roadster, and Tourings. So this is a Canadian edition or Canadian built model. So it was a complete car, all numbers matching, and then it was totally dismantled. 2 or 3 different people tried to work on it at different times. Life got in the way, and then our client decided he'd like to have it done. So we're going to do a correct restoration on it. Every nut and every bolt. There's lots of funny repairs, lots of damage, but overall the bones of the vehicle are really good. So this is the actual body part for it. We've got all of the panels, the doors, the jump seat, and fenders that we have to do a lot of repair on. So what we'll do, once we gather up the parts and get organized, we'll share with you the progress on this car. So it's a 1928 Chev Model A, Ford Model A, and it's the Roadster with the jump seat. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.